Evaluating limits. For the most part, when you're trying to evaluate limits, you want to just go ahead and try to plug in exactly what you're approaching. So as x approaches c, just try plugging in that number in. A lot of times it'll work, but not always. And so your first step in evaluating limits is just to go ahead and plug in that value. And that's exactly what this theorem down here on the bottom is saying. Saying if you're trying to take the limit of x, just plug in c and that's your answer. If you're trying to plug in or deal with x to a power, just plug in c and that's your answer. Now these theorems are saying, well, if you start off with two functions where the limits exist, so the limit is x approaches c of f is L, limit is x approaches c of g is k. Well, if you just multiply your first function by a number, well, your limit's just going to be your limit times whatever number it was. Here, if you have things added together or subtracted together, and you're